Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about basic procedure of machine design. So let us see the flow chart. So first step, so there are 10 steps of machine design. So first step is a market survey. Then second step is a define specifications of product. Third step is study alternative mechanisms for the product. Then fourth step is select proper mechanism. Then prepare general layout of configuration. Then next step is select joining methods between individual components of product. Then next step is design individual component. Next step is prepare assembly and detailed drawings. Then prototype testing, and the last step is modification. So let us see one by one. So there are 10 steps of machine design, procedure of machine design. So let us see one by one. So the first step is market survey. So what is meant by market survey? So by doing market survey, the designer will know what are the various types of products available in the market and what are the customers expectations from the product. So according to market survey, by doing market survey, make a complete statement of the problem indicating the need, aim or purpose for which the machine is to be designed. So according to market survey, the designer should make a statement of problem. According to market survey, designer make a statement of the problem indicating the need or aim of the product. Now, then second step of design is define specifications of the product. So prepare complete list of the requirements of the product. So the requirements include the output capacity of the machine and its service life, cost and reliability, the overall dimensions and weight of the product. Also in consumer products, external appearance, noiseless performance and simplicity in operation of controls are important requirements. Then the third step is study alternative mechanisms for the product. In this step, after careful study of the requirements, the designer prepares rough sketches of different possible mechanisms for the product. The alternative mechanisms are compared with each other and also with the mechanism of the products that are available in the market. So in this step, designer should study the alternative mechanisms available for the product. An appropriate estimation of the cost of each alternative configuration is made and compared with the cost of existing products. Then the next step in design is select proper mechanism. In previous step, we study the different types of mechanisms available for the product. Now in this step, select proper mechanism. Depending upon the cost competitiveness, availability of raw materials and manufacturing facility, the best possible mechanism is selected for the product. So according to cost, availability of raw material and is the mechanism is manufacturable. So these points are to be noted for the selection of proper mechanism. So according to that study, the best possible mechanism is selected for the product. Then the fifth step in the design is to prepare general layout of configuration. The next step in the design procedure is to prepare a block diagram showing the general layout of the selected configuration. And the next step is select joining methods between individual components of product. In this step, the designer specifies the joining methods such as riveting, bolting, or welding to connect the individual components. Then the next step is design individual component. The design of individual components or machine elements is an important step in a design process. And my dear friends, in the subject elements of machine design, we only study this step of design, the design individual component. It consists of the following stages. So design individual component. So individual component design consists of these 4 stages. First stage is determine the forces acting on the component, then select proper material for the component, then determine the likely mode of failure for the component, and lastly determine the geometric dimensions of the component. So in the whole subject you only focus on these 4 points: determine forces acting on component, then select proper material, then determine mode of failure, and then determine geometric dimensions of the component. The next step is prepare assembly and detailed drawings. The next stage in the design process is to prepare drawings of the assembly and the individual components. On these drawings, the material of the component, its dimensions, tolerances, surface finish grades, and machining symbols are specified. And the next step is prototype testing. A prototype model is prepared for the product and thoroughly tested before finalizing the assembly drawing. So prototype model is prepared. One model is prepared for our product and thoroughly tested before finalizing the assembly drawings. If there is any issue in the prototype testing, then modification is required. Modification in drawing is required. Also, problems arise on the shop floor during the production. So if there is no problem during design, but problems arise on the shop floor during the production stage, and design may require modifications. So in such circumstances, the designer has to consult the manufacturing engineer and find out the suitable modification. Thank you very much.